Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. Friends, if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Friends, I upload Pharma News daily in the evening, so make sure that you click the bell icon, that all notifications, so that you receive the notification in advance whenever I upload a new video. Friends, and don't wait and let us get into today's news. And before that, a small request, please watch the video till the end. And I request you to share this news with your friends so that they also get benefited from you. So don't wait and let's get into today's news. Friends, coming to the first news, RR College of Pharmacy and Karnataka Registered Pharmacist Association is organizing a free public webinar on innovative strategies for pharmacists in COVID-19. And friends, this webinar is going to be held on 13th July 2020. And the timings of this webinar is tomorrow 4 p.m. in the evening. And the eminent speaker, Dr. M. Surilivel Rajan and Dr. Rajesh V. and Mr. Ravinandan AP, Assistant Professor, SSCOP, Tumkur. And this webinar is organized in collaboration with Group Pharmaceuticals Limited. And friends, getting into more details about this webinar, the registration is free to register. That is, in order to register or if you want to participate in this webinar, the registration link is in the description of this video. Click on the registration link and visit their registration form and fill your details and submit so that you get registered and you can participate. And after participation, they will issue a e-certificate and after submitting the feedback form. And friends, these are the details about this webinar. If you are interested to participate, please go to the description of this video and click on the link and register yourself. And friends, coming to the next news, Karnataka Registered Pharmacist Association is organizing a quiz competition. And getting into details of this quiz, the quiz is guess the pharmaceutical company with their logos. For example, they have represented a logo of a company, that is Lupin Pharmaceuticals. You must guess the name of the logos. Here they have given some logos. And the second theme of this quiz is guess the pharma entrepreneur and their company. I will read the paragraph for you. Who was the visionary behind the pharmaceutical company that was initially started as a generic drug and active pharmaceutical ingredient manufacturing unit and named the company after his sons? The company that initially sold its products in India, Russia and Africa. By 2008, the company was recognized among the 5th biggest pharmaceutical company in India. The company that launched a drug during COVID-19 pandemic under a brand name Fabifly. Friends, this is the hint this is the hint to guess the pharma entrepreneur and their company. And the third theme of this quiz, that is Caption Me. And getting into rules of the quiz. Correct answer for logo game section will be rewarded 1 point each. That is, for each correct answer for the identification of logo, they will award you 1 point. That is each 5 marks. And each correct answer in pharma entrepreneur and their company carries 1 point each. That is 2 marks. And Caption Me. Showcase your humor. It is 3 marks, and answer of the quiz will be evaluated by panel of judges and the decision is final. Max marks 10. And those who get the highest marks, their photo will be published in their bulletin, and also a cash prize of 500 Indian rupees will be awarded to them. The answer must be sent with the 15th July 2020 to this mail ID. Remember friends, there is no separate link for this quiz. You should submit your answers to this mail ID. krpaindia@gmail.com. A confirmation mail will be sent to you upon receiving your mail. And the prize money is sponsored by Group Pharmaceuticals Limited. Healthy smiles matter. Friends, these are the details about this quiz competition. Friends, coming to the next news, this is AICTE sponsored, that is All India Council for Technical Education sponsored short-term training program. And getting into details of this short-term training program, this is going to be conducted via online on Zoom app. The topic is Human Values, Ethics, Morals, Behavioral Sciences and Attitude. And this is organized by Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy. Friends, this is going to be held on 20th July to 25th July. That is, they have mentioned here, limited seat registration on first come first serve basis. As I already said every time, the registration link for this is in the description of this video. Go to the description of this video and register yourself so that you can participate in this STTP, that is short-term training program. Friends, coming to the next news, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy is organizing a webinar on topic Mindfulness Meditation to Cope Up with Anxiety and Stress by Ms. Munni Banjare, founder EDZ Monk and MB Healing Light. This webinar is going to be held tomorrow, that is 13th July 2020 at 9:30 am in the morning in association with Dr. For You. Friends, if you want to register, the registration link is in the description of this video. and this is going to be live on Microsoft Teams. You must download the Microsoft Teams application. And if you want more details, you can visit their website www.sirtpharmacy.ac.in. Friends, these are the details about this webinar. If you like this webinar, please participate, because mindfulness is very important. So how meditation give you mindfulness? This is important webinar because we students are all stressed with the exams, and now we are in a tension when the exams will be conducted, whether they will be conducted or not. Even the UGC have given the guidelines, but most of the CMs of different states are writing letters to the PM that to cancel the exams. So stay tuned what will happen. You must prepare yourself and be peaceful, and don't get stressed and don't get anxiety, and know some things about that, how to manage your anxiety and how to be mindfulness by participating in this webinar. And friends, these are the details about this webinar. Friends, I want to share one thing with you. Today MIBO has organized a webinar on tips and tricks on how to crack competitive exams like GPAT, NIPER, DA by Abdul Rahman, who is MS Pharmaceutical Medicinal Chemistry at NIPER, Lucknow. Friends, please visit the MIBO channel, that is their YouTube channel, and you can see the webinar which will be permanently in their channel. You can know the tips and tricks and how to prepare for different subjects. Abdul Rahman sir explained it very well in a neat way, and also Ishwar sir has also given some tips and tricks. So do watch that video and gain some knowledge. It will be very important for your future exam preparations like GPAT, NIPER and drug inspector, even the pharmacist exams. And this is the news available for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and share this news with your friends. And this is all for today. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, keep watching Capsule Pharma News. And this is Naveen signing off.